sick shoes.
How many ways?
We're in downtown LA. My friends Justin and Phyllis are back. We're gonna go do some home shopping today for small knickknacks and decor. And we found street parking. The lady stopped us to ask for help. So Phyllis is helping her out with directions right now. There's Justin being a tourist. We helped out an old lady. Or I guess Phyllis did. We'll get coffee first. Wow. Oh, so pretty. That place is so cool.
Can I just get the iced Americano? Iced Americano, what do you remember? Yeah, do you guys have...
Cold lattes?
Alright, that's for your Americano.
Wait, this is an iced Americano? It's got like white stuff. Oh. Good. That's pretty unique. It's very foamy.
Whoa. That's good.
Would recommend.
That's really good.
Yeah. We're gonna go get some fake plants. A place called International Silk. What? Los Angeles, where you can get free melons from the road. Whoa!
Oh, we need to
There's
make that
so many
trip to-
plants everywhere.
It's like 12 bucks a month.
This is fake plant heaven. It's just trees everywhere.
I'm joking out about the prices.
You legit get a fake palm tree. Whoa.
We just found our own top road.
55 for that's a good deal.
Yeah, normally these are like 150, 160.
Here, we'll check the downstairs again. It's legit a jungle. I'm in fake flower plant heaven. Dream of all the basic.
Can we buy a ton? I might just spend $50 on big flowers.
I think this is 60. I don't want to
How much are they? Would look good in your house.
I like that.
I could just unroll the leaves a little bit.
Yeah. So if you guys don't know, Justin and Phyllis, they've been helping me plan the interior of my new house. Not house, the place I'm living in.
I think I need to call my...
Now we're buying moss. Okay.
What are these for you, Nathan?
Great success. Alright, we just finished shopping for plants. Now we're gonna go grab lunch at a Mediterranean place called Spitz. Let's go. We're in Little Tokyo.
No, my dog.
We are at Spitz. Alright, we just finished lunch. We're going to Paquetto now. Whoa. So pretty. Phyllis knows the owner. Now we're doing damn. Wow. These plates and coasters. So pretty. These planner are so pretty.
Those are the different shapes. This one has a little bit more room, so you can write on it. But so I just Sharpie the dates and then just use just to use stuff. And then do you want me to put your name in it? Or
did you make it out to Statement Studios?
yeah,
Wow.
like Taeha.
Wow.
Sure.
Wait, can I also get my sign too? That official signing. We left Paquetto. We got to meet the founder there. That was pretty cool. And now we are on our way to Dover Street Market. First time here. Heard great things about DSM. So we'll see what it's like. Oh, they're closed today. Sad.
Uh-oh.
We're back at the row because DSM was closed. Smooch. Definitely a must check out area when you're in LA. The row. We're having a little mini shoot. Pretty stores. And all these stores. We're gonna stop by some more kitchenware, houseware stores. But first, we're gonna grab our second cup of coffee at a place called Go Get 'em Tiger. It's over here. Go Get 'em Tiger. Well, who first said this instance of this phrase? We left the row and now we're about to go to Hauser and Wirth. This alleyway is pretty sick. I really like this. It's so pretty inside. There's a restaurant. Got these art installations. Whoa. That, my friends, is a giant devil fruit. That's a big devil fruit. Oh shoot, there's more devil fruits. Cockroaches on the spot.
Such a cute meow.
Yeah, it's very high pitched.
Whoa.
Oh my goodness.
Really
dogs.
likes this.
Wow.
Anything that moves, she'll bite. My new plant that I bought. Oh, is he just smelling it? Want to be in the vlog, Kendra? Okay, that's cool.
Yeah, I don't care.
Justin's birthday. Happy birthday to this man. He's very old now.
Very old.
Meet my friend Kendra.
Hello.
And you met Phyllis before. Oh,